We at Mickey D's right now. Let me head up in here. Their printer is not working, so I need to make sure I have all the numbers on this order. That way I don't gotta run back out here and grab this second phone. So it looks like we're looking for a 74D. We're looking for order 74D. After some slight confusion, we got the order. They printer ain't working. It's all good. A couple extra minutes ain't gonna hurt. We don't earn by time. If this customer tip good, may even see a $10 bill out of the equation. Take the picture always.
Okay.
I appreciate it though, man. All right, let's see what boss man working with. He walked up, grabbed the order. Let's see if he tipping. Oh my God, this man did not tip. Oh my God, this man did not tip, man. God damn. This order was trash. I should have known. Walking up, smoking that damn cigarette. His ass ain't tip shit. Bum ass. God damn, his ass ain't tip shit. Then they got the nerve to send me a 14-mile delivery. Bruh. Hell no, I'm not doing that. Hell no. They just, oh my God. And I didn't even see no delivery streak on that mug either. Hold on, let me check this out, cause now I'm mad. Boy, I was having a good day on. Yep, I ain't getting no delivery streak. I ain't getting shit.